Welcome to the next module, files. So we're going to learn about how Python can work with any file in our file system. And we're going to begin with a very basic task, and that is opening and reading a file. This is similar to opening and reading a book. So Python can work with any file in your file system. It can open and read text files, image, video, sound files, spreadsheets, just any file in your file system. It can open it and it can read it. So I want to make a distinction between Python modules, which we just covered, and all of the other files in our file system. So these Python modules, which we've created or imported, these are files that contain Python code ending in .py. So these files were either executed from the command line or imported. These are special files, obviously. We're actually executing the code in the files. The files that we're going to work with in this section are every other file in the file system, containing text or image, video, sound, whatever it is. So these are not the files that I'm talking about. These are not the files that we're going to be working with. We're going to work with all of the other files in our file system that do not contain Python code.